This tiny carburetor adjustment was secretly draining extra fuel, and almost nobody checks it. The owner complained that this motorcycle was burning way too much gas. The engine sounded normal, but something wasn't right. Instead of replacing expensive parts, I opened the carburetor and removed the jet needle. That's where I found the real problem. The jet needle has multiple adjustment grooves. By carefully moving the clip to the correct position, I changed the fuel mixture without buying a single new part. Then I reinstalled the needle, assembled the carburetor, and put everything back together. Now came the moment of truth. The engine fired up instantly. The throttle response became smoother, and the excessive fuel consumption was finally gone. Sometimes the smallest adjustment makes the biggest difference. Would you have checked the jet needle first? Follow for more real motorcycle repair tips.